today I want us to talk about time. In our previous episodes, illustrates time as an optical illusion where great minds such as Albert Einstein concluded that time is just a stubborn illusion. Combining Albert Einstein's work and a bit of research, I came up to the conclusion that time is just an optical illusion. First, let's go with Albert Einstein's thought experiment. As he was coming from work, Albert Einstein saw a clock tower and imagined what he would see if he was traveling faster away from the clock, approaching the speed of light. Albert Einstein noticed that as he accelerated towards the speed of light, the clock seemed to tick slower, but to the people near the clock, time was ticking normal. Now, still from our previous episodes, we saw that in order for you to see an object, photons must originate from a light source, hit the object, where some are absorbed by the object and some are reflected away. The reflected photons enter our eyes through the cornea and sent to the brain through the optic nerve, where the image is constructed in our brains. Combining this idea and Albert Einstein's thought experiment, it is clear that for Albert Einstein to observe the clock hand ticking, photons must have originated from a light source, hit the clock hand, and reflected in Albert Einstein's eyes. Now, as Albert Einstein was moving away from the clock tower and accelerating towards the speed of light, photons that had already been reflected and moving towards Albert Einstein's eyes for observation will take more time to reach his eyes since he is not stationary. And as he continues accelerating faster and faster approaching the speed of light, the photons will continue taking more and more time reaching his eyes. This brings an illusion of time delay. And when Albert Einstein reaches the speed of light, the only photons that will reach his eyes are the ones that were reflected before he attained the speed of light. As he is moving at the speed of light, he is moving with the same speed as the photons that are supposed to tell him that time is ticking, giving him the illusion that time has stopped. As you can see from this experiment, light governs the passage of time. It gives us the illusion that time is moving in our brains. This gives the perspective that time may be an optical illusion shaped by light and the interaction of light with circadian rhythm. The longer photons take to enter in your eye, the more time is dilated. Also remember, when light passes near a massive object such as a star, its path is bent due to the curvature in space-time. This geodesic path gives light a longer path, bringing about time dilation. This indicates that there is a possibility that time is just an optical illusion. Thank you, and continue supporting the channel by subscription and shares. And also don't forget to leave a comment or any question in the comment section.